In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating a graph in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to turn a basic dataset into a clean, informative chart that updates as your data changes. First, make sure your data is organized. Set up your sheet with clear headers such as categories in one column and values in the next. For example, you might have product names in column A and sales numbers in column B. Keep the headers short and descriptive, avoid blank rows or columns within the dataset, and ensure numbers are actually formatted as numbers, not text. If you're tracking dates or time, place them in one column and use a consistent format so Sheets recognizes them. Next, highlight the entire range you want to visualize, including the headers. Click and drag across your data, or select the first cell and hold Shift while you click the last cell in the range. Including headers helps Google Sheets automatically label your chart. Now go to Insert, then Chart, or click the chart icon in the toolbar. Google Sheets will immediately generate a default chart and often suggests a type based on your data. Don't worry if it's not exactly what you want. You can refine it in the chart editor. On the right, in the chart editor under Setup, choose the chart type that best fits your story. Column or bar charts are great for comparing categories. Line charts show trends over time. Pie charts highlight proportions of a whole, and scatter charts display relationships between two numeric variables. In the same Setup tab, you can adjust the data range and series if something was missed or included by accident. Switch to the Customize tab to polish your chart. Edit the chart title to make the purpose clear. Tweak colors for readability and consistency with your brand or report. Adjust axes, titles, and scales so numbers are easy to interpret. Add or position the legend where it doesn't clutter the data. For pies, consider enabling data labels to show percentages. For lines and columns, add grid lines or data labels only when they add clarity. Once your chart looks good, click and drag its edges to resize it or move it around the sheet to place it near the data. Double-click specific elements like the title or axis for quick edits without navigating the sidebar. If you want a dynamic graph, build your chart from cells that use formulas to pull data from other sheets or sources. As those cells update, your chart updates automatically, no extra steps needed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.